This is Karan, your futuristic Korwa. A very good morning to all of you guys, and hope you're staying safe during the COVID times. Today is quite a special vlog, for the car, because the service is officially due. Right, so the service is due for about 1,000 kilometers in the car, which is the first initial service, wherein a couple of minor updates, changes about the car is done, and there are a couple of other stuff as well, like the key which was completely scratched up, which they said we will replace it, and there are a couple of other stuff in the car which they said that they will be rectifying. So that's what we will be getting done today. I think we will reach Mysore about in the morning time, and then we will have to wait out the entire day. So we will have a lot of time, and we would also be doing a range test while we go today, as in the current battery percentage is 99%. We have always had the AC off, but this time I will make it a point wherein we have the AC on. The lights, I don't think so I require it, because it's already the streets are already lit up, so I don't want the lights. So the current temperature is somewhere around 19.4 degrees Celsius, and it's said to be cloudy today, right? So that's a weather condition, and that's the battery percentage that we are starting from. So the range we have is 336 kilometers, and from here till the Ghat section, I think we will be maintaining a slow speed. Post that, once we hit the highway, I think we can maintain a constant speed. So stay tuned for all these stuff. I think I will update you guys once we reach the Ghats, or once we pass the Ghats, right? So just to give you an idea of what is a battery percentage left, right? So we will meet you guys afterwards.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us.
Hi guys, quick update. We have reached Panchvalli, which is a kilometer or 2 kilometers away from the Ghat area or the forest area what I spoke to you about. I think throughout the forest area we were maintaining quite low speeds because of the constant speed breakers there, and the forest area as well, right? So we have about 87% of charge remaining with the AC on. It is showing 246 kilometers of range, and we have maintained the AC throughout the entire journey. I never turned it off even for a minute. So I have a efficiency of 6.4 kilometer per kilowatt hour, and the total journey that we have traveled is 35 kilometers in a time of 1.15 minutes. So that's a quick update. I will catch you guys in the MG showroom.
Darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain you hide and disappear, like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Hi guys, we reached the MG showroom. Right now the battery percentage is 63% and a range of 176 kilometers, which is remaining, right? So
If you look at the current journey, we have traveled total of 99.4 kilometers, and we took about 2.45 minutes, and we have average speed of 36 kilometers per hour, and also average KMPL of 6.3 kilometers. Right, so I think that's okay. That's good, because we also had the AC on all the time. We were on Android Auto. My phone was charging. So that's the status. So we will do it once again when we go back with the same kind of a model, wherein we will have the AC on and all that stuff. So to get a comparison between the morning figure and the evening figure, they say that the temperature variation as well creates a lot of differences in the range. So we will see what exactly that difference is, and also give you guys a clear understanding about what you can expect as well. So we will be giving the car for the service. Let me see if I can record it. If I can, I will definitely add some shots of it, but apart from that, let's see how it goes, guys. I'm totally clueless.
I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me, hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Hi guys, a quick update, or I would say welcome back, because the kind of day that we have had, it's been a crazy day here. because we came early in the morning to avoid traffic and also make sure the car is serviced and all that stuff, right? So we reached here about 9:30. I think you should already know that by now if you are watching, right? So a quick update about what exactly took place. What is the timeline like, why it took so long. So I think I got my car around 3:30 or 4 o'clock, and again we went on a test drive, just to check whether all the issues are taken care and looked into. So we did that and we came back again. There was some the lights leveling and all of that. Before I go any further in the video, right, so big shout out to the MG guys, the showroom people, especially, right? So they have been so welcoming, so sweet all the time. I never felt that I was in a showroom. Specifically the manager there, Chetan, the executives, Chelvaraj, a lot of other people, right? So they were so welcoming, and they definitely made us feel like we were home. And again, there was no much of things to change in the EV. I think he topped up the wiper fluid. Nothing else was done. I think they also cleaned the brake pads and all that, because I requested for it, and there was a quick wash done to the entire vehicle. And another thing was the interior cleaning as well. My interiors were really dirty, especially the mats. I'm really sorry for the noise and all that, because we are in the Chamundi Hills. We wanted to come here, and yeah, going back to what I was saying. So yeah, there was no much of there was no much of changes to be done in the car. All minor changes. And the other thing what I spoke to you about was a key, right? So it's still on the way. It's just not arrived yet. So he said that he'll get that done. And I also had some of the tinkering works to be done, because one of the panels is placed in the wrong way. I'm not sure what terminology what I can use there, but that was not in the right way, right? So that's something that we will be doing maybe the next time that we come down to Mysore. And that's about it, guys. I think I will display the bill on the screen. It was around 800 rupees for the alignment and the wash and all that stuff, but it was a free service for me, so there was no expenses. So I will make sure that I have all these stuffs in the folder, give you guys a clear understanding about what it is to own a EV and what are the expenses that you will incur in a month. So this is one expense that I would say, and another one is the bill, the electricity bill, which is to come. So I'll make a separate video about it. I'll make a video of owning a City, which is a petrol car, and owning a EV, which is an electric car. That is to come. Stay tuned. You will definitely like that content. And yeah, of course, the reason why it took so long was because of the software update. There was a lot of software updates which needed to be done, and a couple of things which needed to be refreshed for the better performance. So yeah, that's it, guys. I don't want to keep you guys here. We want to enjoy the view too. Hope you guys are doing well and stay safe. Please make sure that you drop all the questions down below, and subscribe, like the video if you like it, and also follow me on Instagram.
You were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh, you meant the world to me.